our rich culture. Introduction. We know that the culture of India refers to the way of life of the people in India. Indians' languages, dance, music, architect, food, and costumes differ from place to place within the country. Many elements of India's diverse cultures, such as Indian religions, yoga, Indian cuisines, had a profound impact across the world. Languages. There are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India, out of which Hindi and English are official languages. Most of the languages are written from left to right, like Hindi and English are written left to right. But some languages like Kashmiri, Sindhi, and Urdu are written from right to left. Dresses. The people of India wear different dresses. Like women wear saris, salwar kameez, jeans, skirts, and gowns, whereas men wear jeans, trousers, shirts, and t-shirts. Some men also wear turbans on their head of different types. Dances. The folk dance and classical dance are the two types of dances in our country. Folk dances are performed on marriages, birth of a child, or on any festival like Diwali, Holi, etc. Whereas the classical dances are performed in temples and shows. Basically, the classical dances begin in temples. Later, kings encouraged these dances. Some famous classical dancers are Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sharmila Biswas, Sonal Mansingh, who are known for their classical dance. Music. Music in our country is also divided into two types. One is the folk music and the second one is the classical music. The Bihu Geet of Assam, Padavni of Chhattisgarh, Bhaul Sangeet of West Bengal are the examples of folk music. Whereas in classical music, there are two main styles. One is classical Hindustani music, which includes North, Anand Bhatt, and Shubh Mungal. The Carnatic classical music comes from South, which includes Ranjani and Gayatri. Monuments. The forts, palaces, temples, pillars, stupas, and monasteries are some of the examples of monuments. Some monuments are the one which were built in the ancient time during the early days, whereas some monuments are the one which are built recently, or we can say in the modern days. For example, the Emperor Ashoka made Sachi Stupa, a temple at Mahabalipuram, is an example of a monument from early days. Some more examples are Fatehpur Sikri, Agra Fort, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and Jama Masjid. All monuments were made under Akbar. The Portuguese made the monuments in Goa, whereas the Britishers made Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, and Victoria Memorial. Some of the modern monuments are Akshardham Temple in Delhi and Assembly Building in Mumbai. paintings. The early humans painted on the walls of caves. These are called cave paintings. The cave paintings at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh shows early humans dancing and hunting animals, whereas the Ajanta cave in Maharashtra shows the scene from the life of Lord Buddha. The Mughal emperors encouraged the painters to paint the scenes from everyday life. Some of the major painters are Parish Meti, Anjali Ella Menon, and Beju Pathan are some of the modern painters. Handicrafts. What are handicrafts? All the handmade decorative items are called handicrafts. India is famous for its handicraft work. Some famous items are terracotta horses of West Bengal, cane and bamboo craft of Tripura, puppets of Rajasthan, and Kanchipuram saris of Tamil Nadu. Festivals. India is famous for celebrating festivals throughout a year. The festivals in India are divided into 4 categories. First, national festivals, which includes the Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Whereas the religious festivals includes celebrating Diwali, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Eid, Gurpurab, and Buddh Purnima. Third, harvest festivals. Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal, and Onam are the examples of harvest festival. They are called harvest festivals because they are celebrated when the crops have been cut in the farms. Fourth, special festivals. These are organized by the governments to attract tourists. The Tulip Festival of Jammu Kashmir, the Desert Festival of Rajasthan, the Konark Festival of Odisha, and the Taj Mahotsav of Uttar Pradesh, the Hornbill Festival of Nagaland are all examples of special festivals.